Hey, what's up guys? So it's time for the end of the year holiday giveaway. And this year I've got over $7,000 worth of radar detectors and dash cameras and accessories to give away to you guys. And so let's go ahead and go over all the different prizes that you can win, as well as how you can enter. So starting off, Uniden's providing a bunch of different radar detectors. First up, we've got a Uniden R8, which is my current daily driver detector of choice. It's got long-range performance, directional arrows, and very nice responsiveness. Next, we've got not one, but two Uniden R7s. This is going to be the best bang for the buck among radar detectors that offer arrows. And then we've also got two more Uniden R4s. These are going to be the longest range, non-arrow detectors that you can get. And then from Escort, we've got their new Max 360C Mark II. This detector also has directional arrows, and it's got really good blind spot filtering. Plus, it adds some extra features like Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. And then for you motorcycle riders, Adaptiv is providing one of their TPX motorcycle-specific radar detectors. It's water-resistant, vibration-resistant, and it's got big buttons that you can easily press, even while wearing gloves. Next, we've got the Blendmount, which is my favorite aftermarket mount for radar detectors, as well as some dash cams. If you want a cleaner looking install, or you don't want to have to deal with suction cups failing and your radar detector falling off the windshield, you can attach the Blendmount to the rearview mirror and hang your detector right underneath it. Plus, it's going to come with a mirror tap cable that allows you to easily hardwire your radar detector by just plugging it directly into the power port behind your rearview mirror. Then taking a look at dash cams, let's start by taking a look at the Blackvues. First up, we've got the DR900X 2-channel Plus. This is my main dash cam that I run in my car. It records in 4K up front, 1080p in the rear, plus it offers Blackvue's cloud connectivity capabilities. And for this giveaway, we've got not one, but two DR900X Pluses. Now, speaking of the cloud, we've also got the DR750X 2-channel LTE Plus. This is a 1080p dashcam that makes it even easier to get the dashcam connected to the cloud because you can pop your SIM card directly into the dashcam itself instead of relying on any sort of external hotspot. And then as a bonus, all the Blackvue dashcams are also going to come with a swag bag full of goodies. Then from Thinkware, we've got two of the X800s. This is a 2K dashcam with a 2.7-inch LCD on the back, and in my mind, one of its coolest features is the energy-saving parking recording to give you really long-term parking capabilities when you've got it installed in your car. Then from Viofo, we've got the brand new A139 Pro. This is the first dashcam that features a new Sony Starvis 2 sensor. And thanks to its new 4K sensor, I'm finding that this A139 Pro offers improved video quality, including less noise driving around at night, as well as better dynamic range to make it easier to see what's going on around you. And for the giveaway, I've got a 3-channel version for you that's going to be recording in the front, the rear, as well as inside the car. Next, there's the Viofo T130. This is also a 3-channel dashcam. This one records 2K up front, and then 1080p for the interior and rear-facing dashcams. This is a more affordable option that's really popular among rideshare drivers. Next, there's the new Viofo A229. This is a 2-channel dashcam that records in 2K for both the front and the rear dashcams. Next, we've got the Viofo A119 Mini. This is a compact, single-channel dashcam that records out the front of the car. And like the other Viofos, it's got Wi-Fi capabilities as well as buffered parking recording. And speaking of compact dashcams, we've got two dashcams from Vantrue. The first one is the new Vantrue E1. This is a compact dashcam that you can control both with your voice or using the wireless remote to do things like turn the microphone on and off or trigger an emergency recording event. Similarly, we've got the Vantrue E2. This also offers the voice control and the wireless remote, but it adds a second rear-facing dashcam to record both in the front and the rear of your car. Now, to power your dashcam while you're parked, we've got a BlackboxMyCar PowerCell 8. This is a large capacity dashcam battery pack that's designed to recharge itself while you drive and then power your dashcam while you're parked. Personally, I prefer going this route as opposed to tapping the dashcam into your car's battery pack. Now, if you do run into any issues with your car battery dying, I've got a Noco Boost X jumpstart battery to give away as well. You can just clamp it to your car battery and it's going to allow you to jumpstart your car even if it's got a dead battery. It's got reverse polarity protection in case you wind up putting the clamps on the wrong terminals in your battery, no issue, and it recharges itself over USB Type-C, or you can plug in other devices via USB Type-C and recharge them as well. And then as far as bonus prizes, we've got not one, but two Vortex radar t-shirts to give away. Similarly, I've also got 3 more Vortex radar bumper stickers to give away to you guys too. And then finally, the last prize is a private session with me. So for those of you guys who want some one-on-one advice as far as selecting countermeasures, figuring out where to get them installed in your car, how to get them configured, etc., I'm going to be giving away a private session as well. And so, woo! Now that we've run through the different prizes, how do you enter? Well, over on my website, I've got an entire entry page to where you can go and enter to win. And the main way to enter is just go check out the different web pages for all the different prizes so you can read and learn more about them. You'll also find a number of other ways that you can enter as well to improve your odds of winning, things like checking me out on social media, or letting me know which prize you're most interested in winning, or even just coming back every day and getting another daily bonus entry. And then I also want to give a special thank you to all the different companies who are sponsoring this giveaway by providing all these different prizes and making this possible for you guys. And so with that said, thank you to all of you guys. Thank you to all my subscribers here on YouTube. Happy holidays, Happy New Year. Go ahead and enter now. Hope you guys win, and until next time, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.